Hello, everyone. How are you today? Welcome to class. So, this class is a practical class. Okay, so I advise you to have your systems down. That is, if you're watching from your smartphone, or if you're using your laptop to watch this video, open two windows. This video should be played in one window, then you should have your Excel opened on another window. We covered this last time. We learned how to open two windows last time. Okay. So today we want to learn about quick access toolbar, and then we want to see definition of some terms in Excel. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to customize your quick access toolbar. And then you should be able to name a cell and then define some terms in Excel. So I guess we're good to go. Let's start with the word cell. Let me type it here. CELL. A cell. A cell in Excel is a small rectangular box. Can you see this box? We use it to store data in a worksheet. Okay, so this is a cell. This is also a cell. Okay, a cell allows you to store data. Remember that Excel um, is a spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet software allows you to manipulate your data in rows and columns. So when we're working in Excel, we're basically working with columns and rows. So a cell is an intersection between a column and a row. Now let's get to know how to name a cell. If you want to name a cell, this is column D, this is column E, okay, this is column B. Now this is row 6, this is row 5. When you want to name a cell, okay, you have to start by mentioning the name of the column, then the name of the row. So I am in column E and this is row 3. So the name of the cell is cell E3. Let's try another one. This is column J. This is row 12. My cell is cell J12. Can you try this for me? I guess you got it. Row G2. Now, there is a place we can easily find the names of our cells. Okay, this is it. You can find it in this name box. You can call it a name box or an address box. Okay, we're done with that. Next, we want to see is the formula bar. This is what we have. This is what is called the formula bar, this particular bar. So anything you are entering in your active cell, in your cell, your active cell will be seen in your formula bar. Let's give it a try. If I'm entering a number here, that number will be shown on my formula bar. Even if it's alphabet or formulas, anything, it gets to be seen on your what? Formula bar. So a formula bar is a bar that shows the data, whether number, names, anything that you enter in an active cell. Okay. Now this cell, as it is now, cell E7 cannot be called an active cell. An active cell is a cell that has been highlighted in this way. You can see it with a black border. This is an active cell. So anything you enter in an active cell, you get to see it in your formula bar. Okay. So then these are some tabs. We'll be looking at them one after the other. We have the clipboard tab, we have the font tab, alignment, number, style, cells, and editing tabs. All of these tabs, we'll get to know them better in subsequent lessons. Okay, so um, another thing we need to know, um, our quick access toolbar, Q80, quick access toolbar. So this is what we have. This is what we call quick access toolbar. Just as the name implies, these are toolbars that you want to quickly access or toolbars that you use frequently. So in case you are asked to define the term quick access toolbar, you should say that quick access toolbar provides access to commands that we use frequently. So here we have some commands that we use frequently. Okay, by default, when you open your quick access toolbar, there are some things you should find. You should find this Excel icon, then save, undo, and redo. I just added this one. So it's not part of it. You may not see it in your own system. So what you see by default is the Excel icon. You have save, undo, and to redo. Now you can add to your quick access toolbar and you can remove some toolbars that you think you no longer need. Okay, to do that, to customize your quick access toolbar, you have to click on this drop down list. Look at this, it looks like a triangle and it is dark in color. When you click on it, this window opens. Customize quick access toolbar. So when you come here, these are the quick access toolbars that come by default. They are the ones I highlighted over here. So because I want to customize, you click on more commands. By the time you've clicked on more commands, this window opens. Okay, when you have this window, these are some popular commands that you may need to choose from. They are over here, popular commands. Okay, see them, there are so many. These are popular commands that you may need to choose from. So let's say I want to include copy. I could just click on add, it moves over to the other side. I want to include cuts, you click on add, it moves. Let's say I want to include delete cell, I'll add it, and then let me see which other command should I quickly um add. Let's add shapes, let's add spellings. Okay, let's add shapes first, then let's add spelling. Okay, so these are some commands that have been added to my quick access toolbar. By the time you've selected the commands that you want to add, just go over here, click OK. Now it's done. Check out my quick access toolbar. You have the ones that were there by default, and then these are the ones I added recently. I added copy, I added cuts, I added delete, and then what's this one? I added shapes, and then I added spelling. Okay, so you can also remove from your quick access toolbar. You use the same procedure. You click on this drop down list, come to command, um, more commands, then the commands that you want to remove, you just click on them, select remove, click, select remove, click, select remove. When you say okay, the commands are gone. So that's how to customize your quick access toolbars. Okay, so for today, that's all we can take. Remember what I said earlier. Ensure that you have this um you have this video playing on one window, and then you have another window opened on your laptop where you can be trying all of this. Or if you're watching from a smartphone, watch and try it along. Remember, it's a practical session. Okay, so and remember to answer the questions attached in your assignments column. Okay, bye and see you in our next class. Do have a lovely day.